In today's video, I am going to teach you how to link your bank account to Shopify. Before you begin, make sure you are signed into your Shopify admin and that you have access to the banking information you will need for verification. Linking payments is an important step because it connects your store to the place where payouts can be sent, so taking a moment to follow each screen carefully will help you avoid delays later. First, open your Shopify admin and then go to the Settings area. From there, select Payments. You will usually find Payments within Settings, and it is the place where Shopify manages payment providers and payout settings. As you click into Payments, pay attention to the layout of the page because you are looking for the Payment Providers section near the top. Once you are on the Payments page, look for the Payment Providers box. This is where Shopify lists available ways to accept payments. Near the top of that box, you will see an option to choose a provider. Click Choose a Provider so you can pick the correct payment method for your business and region. Taking this step matters because the provider you select determines how the connection to your bank will be handled. Next, search for and select your payment provider or your standard bank gateway option. In the Provider search field, type the name of the provider you want, or choose the option that corresponds to a standard bank gateway. If you do not see your first search result, try adjusting the keyword slightly so the correct provider appears. When you locate the right option, select it to move forward. After you select the provider, Shopify will prompt you to enter banking details. This part is very important, so take your time and enter the information accurately. Follow the on-screen fields and double-check that the details match what your bank uses for account and routing information. If any field offers guidance or examples, use that guidance to confirm you are filling everything in the correct format. When the banking details are entered, you are ready for the final step. With the banking details completed, click Activate. This tells Shopify to turn on the selected payment provider and start the process of linking it to your bank account. After you click Activate, the page may confirm that the provider is active, or it may show a status message while the connection is being verified. Keep an eye on the confirmation text so you know whether the activation is successful right away or whether any additional verification steps are still required. Once you see the provider activated, take a quick moment to review that the correct payment provider now appears in your payment providers list. Make sure it is the one you intended to set up and that there are no error messages on the screen. If something looks off, return to the banking details section and correct it before trying to activate again. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.